AI sounds like magic, but it runs on hardware, and that hardware is often a GPU. CPUs are like smart office workers, great at one task at a time. GPUs are like massive teams that can do thousands of simple tasks in parallel. Perfect for AI. AI models are built on matrix math, huge numbers multiplying, adding, and transforming. GPUs crush this kind of work because they are built to handle massive math loads fast. Training deep learning models takes days or weeks without GPUs. With them, we can train massive language models, vision systems, and more in a fraction of the time. Even after training, running AI models, known as inference, still benefits from GPU power, especially at global scale. Modern GPUs like NVIDIA's H100, Google TPU's AMD MI300 are built just for AI, with tons of memory, smart interconnects, and mind-blowing speed. From ChatGPT to robot arms, GPUs are the engines behind the AI revolution, powering vision, speech, text, video, and even science. TLDR, so next time you hear about a breakthrough AI model, just remember, a GPU probably made it possible, like fast, friendly tech explainers. Subscribe to TLDR Tech for bite-sized answers to big questions.